Why you are there in the... What are you doing in that place? Sophie! Why are you there in the dryer? Huh? What are you doing? You just only afraid with the thunder and then you go there inside the dryer? Ano? Taikutin ko ng dryer. Sophie! You're such a word cat. Sophie! Ano, hirap ka ngayon lumabas. Sige. Ano? You want to stay there? You want to stay there? It's a nice place, yeah? It's a nice place to hide during thunder. Yan na. Bye-bye.